Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Nissan Rogue 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19 flip key battery. The battery you will need CR2032. You can click on the link below to get it online. Very simple. First thing we do, we open the key, and then if you flip it over you can see that there is a slot right here. Okay, let me make sure that you see it. There it is. What I do, I just take a flathead, I insert, and I turn clockwise. Okay, maybe a little bit tricky at the beginning, don't worry about it, shouldn't be too hard. And then gently you open the key. This is how it looks inside. Now, to take the battery out, right underneath, right here, there is space. All you have to do is just to put the flathead underneath, and the battery comes out. Once again, the battery CR2032. CR2032. Okay, and now all we have to do is just to take a new battery, and once again you put face down, you press, and you're good to go. Once again, face down, first put, you press, put the cover, make sure it's straight, you press, and you're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Let us know what you think. Thank you very much.